Hi, I'm Janeen Vosper, and my business is Speech Perfect. Why do I think it's important for people to be able to articulate their message well as a great public speaker and then have the skills in selling that enables them to be successful in what they do and have people coming to them? I have worked as a general manager of sales for a multi-million dollar company and had commission-based sales teams working for me. And what I found with them, it was all very much about how they had the confidence to cold call and knock on doors and build their business. Before I started as a GM, I was thrust into a territory with products and no database. And that's exactly what I had to do, build from nothing. Within 3 years, was selling over $400,000 of product a year because of learning how to cold call. But it's also about getting your message very clear. And that's why I'm passionate about public speaking. I represented Australia in a public speaking contest, and I have coached two international speaking winners. And I know what it takes to get rid of those ums and ahs, to be confidence to be able to stand up and speak, and to be able to then process what you are selling, what message you want to get across, what you want to persuade people or inspire them to do, and be able to do that well. The courses that are on the programs include public speaking training, sales training, and just how you can have a balanced life so that you can put all of that together and achieve the results that you want for not maybe just you, but also for you and your family and the successes that you want in business. I help people through running one-on-one coaching sessions, the programs that are available here. I go into corporations and deliver training. There's a whole lot of different methods. I have podcasts. I've written a couple of books. One of them is called Good Girls Do Sell. The other one is Being Unstoppable. And all of those are available on my website, janeenvosper.com. The training programs that we have here with Yes, you will find that they will take you from being a nervous speaker into someone who feels a lot more confident and can be able to help you with your cold calling fears if you are in sales. So check them out. And remember, I am Janeen Vosper. My business is Speech Perfect, and I love to help you succeed and achieve the results that you want.